Hello, all my friends. I'm Medha. I'm starting my YouTube channel Learn with Fun. Through this channel, I'm going to bring new videos for my little friends by which they can learn new things easily with lot of fun. My first video is on farm animals. So are you ready to come and join me? Let's start then. What are farm animals? Farm animals are animals which are raised on farms. These farm animals have many roles in the farm ecosystem. They provide us with milk, eggs, wool, meat, pork, etc. And their waste can fertilize the soil. Animal manure, as you know, contains many nutrients that plant can use to grow. Apart from this, they are also a good companion to humans on farm. They are used for various work that are carried on farm, such as horse. Horse are used for transport, used to log and haul things, and also to round up cattle on big farms. So this was short introduction for our farm animals. So now let us see who all we have on our farm today. Are you excited to meet them? Yes, let's go for it. So let's see now who all we have on our farm today. Our first farm animal starts with letter H. Who it can be? Let's hear its voice. Yes, H for hen. H for hen, hen, hen. H for hen, H-E-N, hen. Where do hen live? What's hen's house called? Hen's house is called coop. Coop. What's hen's young one called? Hen's young one is called chick. Chick. Oh, who is our next farm animal? Our next farm animal starts with letter C. Oh, that's very familiar voice. Yes, it's cow. C-O-W, cow. C for cow, C for cow. What's cow's house called? Cow's house is called shed. Shed. What is cow's young one called? Cow's young one is called calf. Calf. Let's see who is our next farm animal. Our next farm animal starts with letter S. It's a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S for sheep. S for sheep. Where do sheep live? Sheep's house is called pen. Sheep pen. What is sheep's young one called? Sheep's young one is called lamb. Lamb. Hey, who is that? Yes, you guessed it right. It's a pig. P for pig. P-I-G, pig. P for pig. P for pig. Where do pigs live? Pig's house is called pigsty. Pigsty. Oh, look at those young ones of pig. They are called piglet. Piglet. Oh, our next farm animal also starts with letter H. Oh, let me think. Oh, I love horse. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H for horse. H for horse. What is horse house called? Horse house is called stable. Stable. What is horse young one called? Horse young one is called foal or yearling. Foal or yearling. Our next farm animal starts with letter D. Oh, who is he? Quack, 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 quack. Correct, that's a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D for duck, D for duck, D for duck. Where do duck live? Duck lives in pond and sometimes it comes into a wooden shelter. And what is duck's young one called? Duck's young one is called duckling. Duckling. Oh, I can see one more animal there. Yes, let me give you a hint. It starts with letter G. Oh, that's our goat. G-O-A-T, goat. G for goat, G for goat. What is goat's house called? Goat's house is called loafing shed. Loafing shed. What is goat's young one called? Goat's young one is called Billy. Billy. So friends, did you all enjoy meeting our farm animals? Yes, we had a lot of fun with them. They told us where do they live, what are the young ones called, and now we are going to see what food they eat. We all love to have our favorite food, isn't it? So let's see what these animals love to eat. So our first farm animal, hen, eats grains, corn. Cow. Cow eats grass and hay. Sheep eats grass. Goat loves to eat grass, grains, twigs. Our friend pig loves to eat lot of food. He eats vegetables, fruits, crops such as wheat, corn, soya bean. Oh, lot of food. Our friend duck eats grass, plants, fruits, vegetable, insects, worms and fishes which are found in pond. Our friend horse eats grass and hay. So friends, we just now saw what our farm animals like to eat. Now it's a time for game. Let's see what is our game. So let me explain what the game is. Are you excited? Yes, I'm very excited now. So you can see I have kept all my farm animals in the first row, and in the row below I have kept all their young ones. So what we have to do is we have to do the match the following. Simple. Let me give you an example. Our first farm animal, hen, has one number attached to it. So now I'm going to give one number to its young one, that is chick. I think you got it, isn't it? So now, without wasting time, we will start our game. You can either pause the video or just grab a paper and pencil quickly and start numbering the young ones according to the farm animals. Let's start now. I'm sure you all must have got the correct answers. Let's check it out. Hen's young one is called chick. Cow's young one is called calf. Pig's young one is called piglet. Goat's young one is called Willie. Sheep's young one is called lamb. Horse young one is called foal. And duck's young one is called duckling. Yay! I know we all have got the correct answers. So friends, I hope you enjoyed your journey with the farm animals. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And do share with your other friends also. Thank you. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye.